Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's Mana video update for 2nd of June. And right now you can see that Mana is finding a very huge resistance, and I'm going to show you this resistance right now. So it's not really good looking. I do believe that it's going to be a little bit ugly right now, but you've already broken out of a trend line. So you broke it out and you're looking to actually come down here to potentially these levels which you haven't really met. So there's a good chance that you might be making here a bear flag just like this one. And when you do that, you just want to take the technical top here to the bottom, and if you start to break it off, you're going to see this thing coming down to 8437, and that's like almost nearly 15% down to the downside. But right now it's not losing any chance. So what I'm going to say is a huge stop loss should be placed down here at the 9593, and if you start to actually lose this level, then you're looking to actually make a deep retracement to the downside to that particular level right over there. So it's all about stepping down the ladders. It's going to be a little bit tricky. You have to be very careful. And there's this price technical target which wasn't really met, but it was nearly met right down here. This was previously drawn when we were moving to the downsides as well. And right now, what can I say about this one, ladies and gents? This is all about losing some support. But if I show you one candlestick here, if I try to remove this one, these drawings that I do have, you might be putting a bearish Harami candlestick on a 4-hour time frame. So right here you did put a little bit of a bottom right there, but the problem is that you have the 3 black rows right over here, and you make a little bit of a pullback, and right now you're putting a bearish Harami candlestick, and this candlestick opens up in the next 2 hours 58 minutes. So in the next 2 hours 58 minutes you can still even come down like this, and then you continue with the downtrend and potentially drop all the way to the downside as well. That's it for today's Mana video update. If you enjoyed this one, just give it a like, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.